Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's session is about how to download the web automation package which is newly introduced in the bot store recently, and how to download that package and import those package into the control room from our local machine. So let's move on to the session. So who can download download and install this web automation package is whoever having enterprise edition user also can download the web automation package, and also the community edition user also they can use the web automation package from the bot store. So let's move on how to download the web automation package from the bot store. So if you are going to this one, I will share the link in my YouTube channel, and you can refer that link. This is the bot store, Automation Anywhere 8/2019 bot store. Here you will be having a web automation package. So this is a web automation package. If you click that, it will navigate to this page. After that, here you have to click get package. So this is the bot store. You have to get that web automation package, and it will navigate to this one and click the get package. You'll be having as the option for add to control room and download as a zip file. You can click download as a zip file. So it's already downloaded in my system, so I'm already having that done. So it will look like this. So this is the zip file what we have downloaded from the bot store. Then log into your normal Automation Anywhere Community Edition. So mine is also a Community Edition. So go to the automation. Here you'll be having option called import bot. Click that. This is where we have to select the file from our folder, browse it, the zip pack completely, click that, and it will be click import bots. It will be imported to your control room. So okay, the bot has been imported to your packages. If you want to check, you can go to package and search for web automation. So this is my web automation package which I have downloaded from the Automation Anywhere bot store. So these are all the commands we are having under the web automation package. So how to implement this web automation package for the IT bricks for entering first name, last name, company name. For entering every field in this, we will normally use recorded package or anything. So through web automation package, we have to find the JavaScript for this first name and last name, company name, everything. So after finding the JavaScript query, and we can apply that JS script there. So let's move on to create the bot. So I have started the new bot. So click here to search for web automation package. These are all the commands available under web automation package. For starting it, you have to first click the start session. So in the start session, you will be having the session name, and the browser will be, we can use Chrome. And for using the Chrome, we have to specify the web driver path. So where to find this web driver path? I will paste the link in my YouTube channel. You can download your Chrome driver. So this is the link for Chrome driver, and here you have to download the 92 version, not 93. You can download the 92 version. And here Chrome driver for your Windows, you can download this. So I'm already having that Chrome driver in my system. So this is my Chrome driver, and this will be of extension of .exe. You have to get this path, Chrome driver path, copy as path. You can paste this Chrome driver path here. So here user profile path is required means you can give. Okay, I will save this. So first step will be of starting the session, and next will be open. You have to open this page, open page command, and session name is default. If you are using more than one browser, and you can name the session name as differently. And here you have to paste the URL. Can copy this, paste the URL here, save it. So in this web page you have to set the value or set text here. So there is a command called set value. Drag and drop that. Here session name whatever we are having in the first start session, and it will ask for the JS script. Go here. How to find JS script is for the first name. Here we are going to paste the first name. So just right click here, inspect this first page. Wherever we want to set the text, just right click here, copy JS path, put it in the notepad. So this is for the first name, and so same like that you have to get for the all other fields. Copy as JS path is what is we required in a web automation package. So I will copy this first name. For first name, you can just right click, copy JS path, go to this automation, set value, JS script will be whatever you have copied, and you can give the value as first name. You can give your name, save it. So same like we have to give for all the fields. Now I will get for company name, just right click here, copy JavaScript JS path, go here. So I have just pasted 6 times, like we are having 6 fields here. Then go here for company name, you can enter the company name, anything. Okay, save it. And the next field is email address. Copy JS path, paste the JS script here, and email, what is that? Email address. So email address you can give. Save it. So the next one is phone number. So finally we are going to click the register button. So for that there is a click option. Drag and drop that. JS script, same like inspect this register. Right click, copy the JavaScript path, paste the JS script. It will just click that. So the advantage of web automation is it will normally of recorder package, it will quickly register all the set the value, all the information. Compared to the milliseconds, it will fast it will set the value to the fields. Let me run the bot. So the web page starts session, and it entered all the information and click the registered button. So this is how we can use the web automation package from the web store or bot store. So you can also try the bot games for RPA August. There will be 4 types of bot games in the August itself they will release. They already released the 3-week bot games, and you can just refer the LinkedIn Mika's Mint LinkedIn. profile and also the YouTube channel of Automation Anywhere. So if you're trying all these bot games of RPA August, this will be more useful. Like you have to take the screenshot of the bot games or whatever you're getting as output, can post in the LinkedIn like this, and I will provide the link for the bot games, and it's a bot for RPA August, only for August they have released. So you can use this web automation packages and download the package from the web bot store. And also in the next session we can see about the API JSON package also they have released. JSON package we will see in the next session. So how to implement that package into our bot we can see. So this is a JSON object manager. We will see this in next session. So try the bot games and also try to download the web automation package. Is there any doubt? You can leave that in the comment section. I will answer all your queries. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.